Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on VR Quest 3. You will first need a capable computer to manage both the game and the streaming process, ensuring a smooth experience. We will explore the necessary software, setting up your virtual environment step by step. Prepare to bridge your mobile gaming with immersive virtual reality, experiencing your favorite brawler battles in a completely new dimension. This guide makes the complex process clear and simple for everyone. To begin, gather your essential tools. A powerful PC, preferably with an NVIDIA RTX 3060 or better graphics card, is crucial for performance. You will also need a stable, high-speed Wi-Fi 6 connection to your Quest 3, ensuring minimal latency. We will then install SideQuest on your computer, a vital application for advanced Quest functionalities. These foundational steps pave the way for a seamless and engaging VR gaming session. Next, install a reliable Android emulator, such as BlueStacks or Nox Player, onto your high-performance computer. Once the emulator is set up, download the Brawl Stars application package, commonly known as an APK file, from a trusted source. Proceed to install this APK directly within your configured Android emulator. This effectively creates a virtual Android phone environment on your PC, ready to run the game. With Brawl Stars running on your emulator, it is time to bring the action to your Quest 3. Launch either Meta Quest Air Link or Virtual Desktop on your computer and connect your headset. Once connected, open Brawl Stars within your Android emulator on the PC. The entire display of your computer, including the game, will then be streamed directly into your virtual reality headset. This creates an immersive, large-screen experience for your brawling adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.